Do you wish to learn the modal verb used to? Do you wish to learn how do we use used to in a sentence? Or are you aware of it that used to is a modal verb and an adjective as well? If you really want to know what are the differences when you use used to as a modal verb and as an adjective. Hi friends, this is Mohiuddin Shak and I welcome you to International Speakers Academy. In this video, you are going to learn about used to as a modal verb and as an adjective. If you are new to our channel, International Speakers Academy, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon to get the notification regularly. If you get some value from this video, like the video as well. If you really want to become an impeccable English communicator and speaker, you can join our online English communication and public speaking master training program. In order to join that program, you can WhatsApp us on the number given below. Towards end in this session, I'm going to call you to the action. It means whatever you learn from this video, write down in the comment box, and what more you'd like to learn, mention that as well, and share this video to everyone. So let's get started. Used to, as I have explained to you, that used to is a modal verb and adjective. मैं आपको शुरू में मैंने बताया कि used to एक modal verb है और एक adjective भी है. Then we are going to learn first what does it mean and how do we use used to as a modal verb. We will have a look at the definition first. As a modal auxiliary, used to expresses a discontinued habit or a past situation which contrasts with the present. As a modal auxiliary, used to expresses. मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी यानी मॉडल वर्ब के तौर पे यूज्ड टू बयान करता है अ डिसकंटिन्यूड हैबिट, एक छुटी हुई आदत को, जैसे पहले आप करते थे अब नहीं करते, तो एक टूटी हुई आदत को, और या फिर पास्ट के ऐसे सिचुएशन को जो कि प्रेजेंट से अलग हो, यानी जो काम पहले होता था आदत की तौर पे एज ए हैबिट, फॉर दैट वी यूज यूज्ड टू. यू कैन राइट डाउन फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन हिंदी, काम होता था. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, मैं सुबह 6 बजे स्कूल जाता था, मैं हर रोज अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ क्रिकेट खेलता था. So this is the meaning of used to as a modal verb. We will have a look at the rules. We will learn the rule of active voice and passive voice as well. Subject plus used to plus first form of the verb active voice. I used to go to school at 6 o'clock in the morning. मैं सुबह 6 बजे स्कूल जाता था. She used to fight with me. वो मेरे साथ लड़ती थी. Subject plus used to be plus past participle. This is the rule of passive voice. We used to be given sweets every week. हमें हर हफ्ते मिठाई दी जाती थी. We used to be taught English grammar every day. हमें English grammar हर रोज पढ़ाया जाता था. So this is the use of passive voice. Now we will have a look at the sentences which has been given in the example to practice. I used to live here when I was a child. I used to live here. मैं यहाँ रहता था when I was a child. जब मैं बच्चा था. He used to smoke earlier. वो पहले सिगरेट पीता था. She used to fight with her sister. वो अपने बहन के साथ लड़ती थी. They used not to memorize the lesson. वो लोग lesson याद नहीं करते थे. So for negative we used not to. I used not to talk to her. मैं उससे बात नहीं करता था. We used to be given bonus every month. हमें हर महीने बोनस दिया जाता था. बिरयानी used to be cooked every week. हर हफ्ते बिरयानी पकाई जाती थी. Now to be plus third form, used to be plus third form. This is the passive voice. So friends, practice nicely these sentences. You can also make your own sentences in your notebook and read them again and again, over and over, so that your tongue gets used to it as far as used to is concerned. So when you need to speak such sentences, you can speak effortlessly, confidently. Now, this was the rule of modal verb. When used to becomes modal verb. Now we will learn when we use used to as an adjective, what does it mean and what's its rule. Used to as an adjective means accustomed to, किसी चीज का आदी होना. Used to as an adjective, जब हम used to का adjective के तौर पे यूज करेंगे तो उसका मीनिंग होगा आदी होना, किसी चीज का लत लगना. It expresses a routine or pattern or habit. ये कोई भी आपका जो रूटीन है, कोई पैटर्न है, कोई या फिर कोई आदत है, उसको बयान करता है, उसको बताता है. Now we will have a look at the rules. First, subject will come. Subject. Then according to subject, in present we will use am, is, are. If it is past, then we'll use was, were. And if it is future, then we'll use will be. And then used to, and then we use either object. If you have to use object noun, then it will be as it is. But if you want to use verb, then you have to add ing to the verb. And when you use ing to the verb, that is called gerund. All right. He is quite used to, यानी वो बिल्कुल आदी है to hard work, मेहनत का. उसको मेहनत की आदत है या वो मेहनत का आदी है. You will soon get used to it. You will soon get used to it. तुम्हें जल्दी इसकी आदत हो जाएगी. He is used to drinking hot water. उसे गर्म पानी पीने की आदत है या वो गर्म पानी पीने का आदी है. He is used to drinking. अब यहाँ पे जब verb है तो आपको verb में ing लगाना है to के बाद में. Okay. She is used to waking up early. उसे सुबह में जल्दी उठने की आदत है. So जब आप adjective के तौर पे यूज करते हैं, when you use used to as an adjective, so if you have to use noun, so noun will be as it is. But if you want to use a verb, then you have to add ing at the end of the verb. So friends, these are two rules of used to, and I believe you have understood it. Now practice both of these rules. Write down your sentences, practice over and over so that you become efficient. You become confident when you have to use these sentences. Now I would like you to do two things. Number one, write down in the comment box what did you learn from this video and what more you would like to learn. If you have got value from this video, why don't you share this video with your friends, family members, and acquaintances so they may also get some value. Thank you very much for watching this video. I catch you in next video with another topic. Take care. Bye-bye.